It is really, really cold in Canberra tonight.
Yeah.
And we are with our friend, Jake's son.
Hello.
Mr. Jake Lambie. And he has this super juicy Evo 5. I'm going to make sure I got that right, not to say 6 or something, sound like an idiot. Jake, tell us a little bit about the car to start with.
Pretty much bought it bog stocker. Had a bit of a tune and exhaust, about 180 kilowatts on a good day. And then sort of did all the driveline and brakes and diffs and stuff and made it rally car safe.
It's got all the good stuff, right? Like RS diff and...
Yeah, all the good stuff. And then, yeah, snowball effect, long story short, it's now got a fully built 2.3 stroker. 85, all the goods.
So that's with like the purposeful rally, right?
Yeah, so we started off just with the stock power, but with all the driveline and suspension done. We're running like top 20 consistently in a 100 car field. And then the new season come around and wanted to go a bit quicker, so more power was the answer.
So so Jake has built this purposely as a race car.
Yes.
He competes in it, he races in it, but it's very cheeky, still has street rego, which is funny. I guess you haven't had many issues with it purely because it's such a purpose-built, well done,
Yeah.
And it's
no expenses spared car. So
yeah, there's a lot of credit to Lance as well, helped me build it.
Yeah, boy Lance.
He knows what he's doing, and yeah, we put nothing but the best on it. So yeah, it speaks for itself.
Yeah, that's true. I guess if you build it properly the first time, you know it's not going to break.
Yeah, that's kind of what happened with the engine. We're going to just do like a bit of drop-in stuff and a head work, and then we're like, oh, let's just do it once and just build the whole engine.
Half cage from AGI, Sparko seats, harnesses, extinguisher, all Sparko everything, right, Jake?
Yeah, I'm a bit OCD.
Yeah, Sparko seats, steering wheel. Kind of dark.
Sparko beanie, mate.
Yeah.
Represent.
Oh, Sparko sponsor.
Sparko sponsor me. Engine bay.
Here we go. Serious stuff.
Here's the goods, the dollars.
Yeah, I'll stop counting. It's a full race manifold. What the Evo guys run is a GT pumps turbo. A lot of the Skyline guys won't know what that is. Yeah, 2.3 Nito. And then yeah, 85 JDM cop kit with genuine Denso coils, no copies here. AT Performance catch can, so for rally you've got to have 3 litre capacity, so I was pretty much limited to that. Tommy pom cams, upgraded bow springs and all that sort of stuff. So
yeah, so nothing's like over the top going for like huge power numbers or anything. It's all just kind of good power band response.
Yeah, we had a goal and like what we wanted. We just wanted all low down response, poke out of a corner. We weren't doing highway runs and wanting 400 or 500 kilowatts.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's not huge power numbers, but it's lots of low down torque, which gets a tail out and it takes off pretty quick out of corners. So
did you say what size turbo that was?
So it's pretty much an Evo 9 turbo, a bit glorified. So it's 71 mil.
Okay.
So 712, and the next one's a 762, being 76 mil. So
sure.
The Akuma boy that's from the snow is complaining about how cold it is, and us Canberra boys are just
going strong.
Yep. Weak.
Shut up. We all have our moments of weakness.
So we have next stage of improvements.
Yeah.
Walk us through what's happening, Jay.
We've gone and entered World Time Attack in the club sprint class.
Excuse me? World Time Attack, you say?
Yeah, World Time Attack.
World Time Attack challenge.
This rally car, World Time Attack.
Yeah.
With this whole World Time Attack thing, we're gonna be there.
Yeah. So
we'll be with Jake.
Corey's gonna, I don't know, get coffee and stuff.
Yeah, I'll be pit bitch.
Pit bitch.
But I'll operate cameras.
Yeah.
Coffee and camera boy at World Time Attack. Sounds like a pretty good job to me.
Yeah.
I'm not complaining.
You might get another set of tyres or something, sort of. Maybe.
I can do that.
And then our friend Benny here is sorting out all the aero.
Yeah, custom parts coming up soon. You guys will probably see some of that.
New parts that we'll release at World Time Attack. First time ever.
First time.
Yeah, so
fancy
that'd be
wings,
exciting. That'd be cool.
And expect some super sick videos. So like in pit action from World Time Attack. We're gonna have GoPros rigged up on Jake's car and who knows, maybe other cars, and
no pressure.
It's gonna be super good. Yeah, don't fuck up. But yeah, super excited. So watch out for that in a couple of months, and we'll obviously make videos in the process.
Yeah,
the build process.
Yeah,
it'll be long,
hype,
painful.
I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but holy shit.
Yeah. Sounds so juicy though.
juicy, juicy.
Juicy, juicy.
Yeah, it's like a Bitzer exhaust. It's a bit like it's been made up over so many years.
Yeah.
Right.
But it's basically 3-inch straight through.
That's all you need to get the job done, mate.
Yeah.
All right, so we have a dilemma as well. Jake has one passenger seat,
Yep.
Uno.
Rip.
race car. All our ride-alongs we've had so far have had full interiors.
Mhm.
So not both of us can be in the car this time.
So Corey and I are going to flip a coin to see who actually gets to ride with Jake here. This is
all right,
the stakes are high.
you make the call. Jake will flip.
Alright. And the money.
Hold on.
Give me the money.
No pressure.
I don't know if I want to make the call.
His head's taller, so he goes heads.
Alright.
Jake makes the call.
Yeah, Jake makes it.
I'm heads, catch and flip.
Oh, tails it is, boys.
Oh,
Hey!
he gets to go.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Damn it.
Thank you.
Consolation prize.
Sorry, Corey.
That's all right. I've been in it lots anyway, so I think it's
To be
fair.
fair, Corey has been in it a
Yeah,
lot.
I get in it like once every couple of weeks. So.
Oh, dude.
Oi, ready?
Ready.
Oh no. Dude, this thing looks like a handful. Like, did it take a long time to learn how to drive?
Yeah, after we did the engine and like nearly doubled the power.
Yeah.
Yeah, it took a little bit to get used to.
Yeah.
The first rally, I was all over the shop.
Dude, that comes on so hard.
Yeah, it's like pretty aggressive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only like 22 pound a boost. Tonight might be going a bit more because it's like super cold. Yeah, 24.
Yeah, right. 24 is a lot though, is that like...
For this, like the engine's built for like 40 pound.
Yeah, right, okay.
But with this turbo, like when you start getting up to 30, it's sort of maxing out the turbo a little bit.
Right. Do you have a couple of maps that you can change it, or?
I have two maps. One is E85, one is 98.
Oh, okay.
That is it. Yeah, we did the 98 map for the big tarmac rallies that are like 300 k's long. Yeah. You know, one stage might be 40 k's.
Yeah.
And then you got to turn around to another 40 k stage, and you don't have anywhere to refuel with ethanol in between.
Yeah.
So, and then we just did the boost controller on and off for those rallies. If we wanted to like keep it reliable and safe, we could just run wastegate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet time. I won't say no. Fiend a good 7-Eleven coffee. Jake just got asked to race a kid in a Commodore because this is Australia and it's a common theme.
Story of my life.
So maybe you can walk us through like more of the interior mods. You see it's very stripped.
Yeah, so it's done a lot of weight shedding within reason, this car. So I haven't taken to it with an angle grinder, but I've pretty much stripped everything out of it that I don't need.
Yeah.
Like sun visors.
I didn't even notice that. Rip sun visors, they're gone.
Who needs them? They actually weighed, what were they? 150 grams each, I think. So that's 300 grams. Like Project Mu rotors, save a kilo and a half each side over stock rotors.
Yeah, right.
Little things like that. And then yeah, so inside we have power rails, which are probably the best rails if you want to race but still want adjustables in terms of locking and fitment and whatnot.
Right.
Then we have Sparko Ergo seats, which are the only seats on the market that have removable head restraints, which I wouldn't bother doing any track work without head restraints. That's how you break your neck. And then obviously coupled with a hands device and proper harnesses.
So you do wear it, you do have hands, yeah.
So anytime it goes on the track, we put the head restraints on.
Yep.
But then for the street, it's a bit easier to take them off so you can actually see what you're doing.
True.
What else?
These are comfy seats, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the name is Ergo.
Yeah, true.
Ergonomic.
Ergonomic.
What else have we got? No stereo. All the speakers are stripped out.
Who needs that?
No aircon. No airbags.
Oh, is that the Commodore? They broke it?
Commodore.
Why?
What are they doing?
That's the guy that just asked Jake to race.
I see corner.
Go on. God damn it, roadworks.
Canberra, roadwork capital.
Yeah. Good, actually.
Anyway.
Thank you for the ride along, Jake. Thank you for taking me as a passenger. It was good.
Good fun.
Lucky bastard.
Yeah, look, it was the coin, man. The coin you lost out.
It was your coin too.
Yeah, Rip, you flicked it. You stitched me up.
Actually, we might do that on the next one too. We'll just keep tossing a coin. That'll be
So
good.
God, if you get 3 in a row though, it defaults to me afterwards. Follow Jake on Instagram. What's your Instagram, Jake?
JL_Evo.
JL_.
Probably there.
Yep.
We'll put.
Pretty nice. Yeah, like I said though, we'll see much more of this car in the near future.
Yeah. Well, building parts. Got another downshift happy laps event coming up.
Yes, this weekend.
Sunday.
You'll see part 2 bonus video of this. We will be with Jakey Boy in car.
Bonus reel.
We'll bring up some GoPros, have like in-car footage, driver cam, all that goods. Kind of like Liam's one, but I think we'll go a bit more extreme with camera gear.
Yep.
Doing
And
what the car was actually built to do.
yeah, and we'll have an actual race car, so it should be pretty sick. And if all goes well, our mate Lance should have his STI there as well, which would be cool having some footage of both cars.
Evo versus STI.
The showdown.
So it should be pretty sick. I'm super excited this weekend. We'll see you on Sunday then.
Thanks.
So you'll see this video next week.
Thanks, boys.
See you next time.
Ciao.
It now has a built 2.5 litre.
Sexy boy. You're the sexy.
It's gonna be good B-roll.